How many boys are there in an introductory biology course if 416 students are enrolled and there are 5 boys to every 8 girls? So we're given a ratio in this problem, 5 to 8, 5 boys to 8 girls. And we're also given that we have a total number of students of 416. So I want to convert this ratio to a percent. So I can find the percent of boys and multiply that by how many students we have. So in other words, I want to know what is the percent of students that are boys, and then I want to multiply that by the total so I can get the actual number of boys. All right, so to convert to a percent, I'm going to add the 5 and the 8 together. So that gives me 13. So in other words, if I only had 13 students, 5 of them would be boys and 8 of them would be girls. So the percent that represents the boys will be 5 out of 13, or about 0.385. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find about 0.385% of 416. Now, to keep it nice, I'm going to keep this percent. I didn't write that as a percent. I'm going to keep this percent as a fraction. And when I say I want to find the percent of something, of means I'm going to multiply. So to find the percent of boys, I'm going to take 5/13 and multiply it by 416. So this will give me the percent of boys. And doing that multiplication, I come up with 160 boys. So to find the number of girls, you just have to subtract 160 from 416. Now a little bit of a gut check. Because we're given that there are 5 boys to every 8 girls, there's more girls than boys. Okay, so certainly less than half. So looking at the number of students, I expected my answer to be less than half of 416. Okay, so I just want to make sure my answer makes sense or is consistent with what I expected to be an answer for this problem.